Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today I'm going to answer a question I see on Reddit often. Why are home windows so expensive? If you've gotten quotes recently, we're 2024 now, and the new quote just seems like it's way more expensive, maybe a couple grand more, for maybe the same 10 windows, 2 doors, it's like 2 grand more, and you're like, why? So much inflation that's happening nowadays. Minimum wage is constantly going up. Everything goes up. And then everything is going to become more expensive. And I mean, that's just starting with the bottom of the line to getting materials only to get the windows built, all the way to the finished product in the manufacturing plant, ultimately coming to us, and we have to install the windows for you. Well, you have labor on our ends and everything, plus the cost of the windows has increased. So the long short of it is literally all this inflation that we've been having for the last few years. I mean, it's been tremendous. Ever since COVID, you can thank COVID for that. It's affecting everything. I mean, if you look at car values, if you look at home values, the gallon of milk that you used to spend, a couple of bucks for, now you're up to like 5, 6, $7 in some places for a gallon of milk. Gas prices through the roof. When it comes to windows, it falls in line with everything else that's going up in this world. Vinyl windows, just like anything else. Metal windows, wood windows, unfortunately, that's just the reality of it. I know I have to tell customers sometimes, they're like, wow, seems like everything has gone up quite a bit, and the answer is yes. It has. Everything has been going up, and that's across the board for everything that we buy. Purchasers of everything are feeling it. I myself feel it. When I have to go and get gas for all the trucks and pay the guys and everything, it's expensive to live today, but there's ways to do it. With windows, there's financing, there's different ways of approaching getting your new windows, but it's not something that I would say just shy away from and wait till prices go down, because I guarantee you they will not. They will never go back down again. It just kind of is what it is, I hate to say, but hopefully this is an answer to your question. I'm sure there's different answers, different ways of verbalizing basically what I'm saying. Some can get more political, and for me, I just keep it straight. Listen, inflation, that's what's happening. Okay, guys, so don't stop shopping for windows, because obviously comfort comes first. Anyways, hopefully that answers your question. If you have any questions, reach out. Thank you so much. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.